Hey Charmers, welcome back to CharmIQ tutorials. In this video, we're going to show you how CharmIQ handles everything from raw meeting transcripts all the way to professional minutes, team emails, and insightful project progress. Meet Kim Ross, our project assistant. She's responsible for managing meeting minutes for Project Zenflow, a minimalist productivity app. Like many of us, Kim used to spend hours manually summarizing meetings and chasing down action items. But with CharmIQ, things are about to get a whole lot smarter. First, Kim easily adds the transcript of the kickoff meeting to her workspace. Just a simple drag and drop, and it's ready to go. Now let's get those minutes drafted. Kim's going to ask Charm for help. Please help me draft concise and professional meeting minutes based on the meeting transcript in the reference material. She uses her custom-built executive assistant Charm powered by the GPT 4.0 model. If you're interested in creating your own AI specialist, see the link in the description below. Let's see the magic happen. Wow, look at that. In seconds, Charm generates a clear, concise summary of the key decisions, action items, and deadlines. And of course, Kim can easily clean up, edit, and format the document directly within this workspace, just like in your Word document. Time to share those minutes with the team. Let's see what Kim asks Charm to do. Please help me generate an email to the team summarizing key decisions, action items, and deadlines. Amazing! Charm instantly drafts a professional email ready to send. It includes all the essential information, clearly organized and easy to understand. Kim's even thinking ahead. She's going to use her Charm to draft the agenda for the next meeting based on these minutes. That's efficiency, isn't it? Her Charm analyzes the minutes and creates a focused agenda, keeping the project on track. Now, as new meetings happen, Kim simply repeats the process. She uploads the next meeting transcript, calls on her executive assistant Charm, and boom! Minutes, emails, and even agendas are generated in a flash. It's like having a super-powered administrative assistant. Kim's done a fantastic job getting the basics covered. But in CharmIQ, we work as a team. Now, it's time to bring in the strategic expertise of our project manager, Charm. This is where we go beyond simple minutes and unlock real strategic insights. With all three meeting transcripts already loaded into the same workspace, we can directly call on our project manager, Charm. And for this in-depth analysis, we're leveraging the powerful Gemini 1.5 Pro model. We'll ask Project Manager to analyze the meeting minutes from project over the past month, assess overall project health, identify potential risks or bottlenecks, and provide recommendations for improvement. Focus on timeline adherence, deliverable quality, and proactive risk mitigation. And there it is, a comprehensive project health assessment straight from our Project Manager Charm. We've got overall project health, identified risks, potential bottlenecks, and actionable recommendations, all in one place. Notice the details on timeline adherence, deliverable quality, and even individual workload concerns. This isn't just a summary. It's strategic intelligence that empowers the entire team to stay on track and proactively address challenges. This is the power of CharmIQ, seamless collaboration and shared understanding. From simple meeting minutes to in-depth strategic analysis, CharmIQ empowers you to work smarter, not harder. It's time to unlock the hidden potential within your meetings. Visit charmiq.ai to experience the future of working and thinking. Until next time, happy charming.